Some facts about water. Out of all the water available on the earth, 97% of water is saline and is in oceans. 3% of water is available in rivers, streams, glaciers. There is enough fresh water available on the planet for current population of the world, but it is distributed unevenly. Water scarcity. What is water scarcity and water scarcity problem area we are going to discuss. Ineffective water management and inavailability of water resources together causing water scarcity. What are the causes? Institutional causes like legislative ineffectiveness, poor organizational structure, poor staff scientific and technological capacity, lack of data, lack of technological means. Socio-economic causes, lack of public awareness, inefficient water use practices, improper land use. Climatic and physical causes, climate variability, climate change, lack of scientific analysis. This all together, climate and physical causes, they lead to droughts and lack of drought analysis. Socioeconomic causes leading to water resources misuse, and institutional causes leads to ineffective water resources management. And these together causing water scarcity management. Water scarcity. Though water is renewable resource, but still it is getting depleted. Factors responsible for water scarcity: climatic factor, uncertain, uneven, erratic monsoonal rainfall, natural disasters like droughts, acid rain leading to water pollution, agricultural factors, overpopulation resulting more demand on water for food production. To facilitate higher food grain production, water resources are being overexploited to expand the irrigated areas and dry season agriculture. Commercialization of agriculture. After success of green revolution, to produce the commercial crops need more water. Excessive use of pesticides, fertilizers has led to surface as well as groundwater pollution. Over-utilization of groundwater for irrigation results in depleting of groundwater levels. Here we can see surface runoff and groundwater level. How is it getting polluted because of industrialization or commercialization? This actually showing the eutrophication because of the water runoff or surface runoff from the agricultural field. And same thing when this water is getting percolated to the shallow aquifer or ground level, it gets polluted. Urbanization. Overpopulated cities leads to excessive water consumption and overexploitation of the water resources. Also, it pollutes the existing resources. Industrialization leads to overexploitation of the water resources as well as pollution of water, especially for coolant. This actually leads to thermal pollution also in the water. Mining. For mining purposes, large areas of land is used. Local rivers may become polluted or altered in their natural flowing pattern. Here we can see urbanization, industrialization, or mining areas, how they are polluting and causing water scarcity. Illegal dumping, deterioration of water quality, water pollution. The quality of surface water and groundwater decreases due to foreign matters as microorganisms, chemicals, industrial and other waste. Discharge of domestic and industrial waste water from cities and towns without treatment in lakes and rivers. Yeah, we can see it. Excessive use of fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides in agricultural fields with each with either seep which either seep into the underground water table or mix with rainwater runoff and pollute surface water. Wasteful use of water at individual and social level. Here we can see how they are using keeping the tap on while brushing or shower is on uselessly or while gardening the tap is on keeping on talking or while washing the cars or vehicles keeping on talking or paying attention to somebody something else or the water is just flowing no control to pause the flow. Nobody is using water but it is just flowing away. Effects of water shortages. Lack of access to fresh, clean drinking water, decrease in crop yields, leading to poverty, hunger, starvation, thirsty, unhygienic conditions, weak immune system, and spread of diseases, destruction habit of habitats. Here we can see destruction of habitats also, lack of water, loss of biodiversity, endangerment of species, low level of education. Without sufficient water, our brain cells cannot function properly, leading to cognitive problems. Some kids will also not be able to attend school since they have to fetch water from faraway places. Here we can see education or collection of water, what they have to choose. For surviving, they need water, but at the same time, for development of oneself, they need studies. Where they go? Migration leading to overpopulation over an area resulting social conflicts, sanitation issues also. Why is there need to conserve water resources? Water is necessary for life on earth, ensuring food security. Cultivation of crops depends on the availability of water, preventing degradation of natural ecosystem and to maintain ecological balance, safeguarding ourselves from health hazards. Water is also important for industry. Its main function is for cooling, to support growing urbanization with its modern lifestyle, especially drinking and domestic consumption.